couple of the Dominic bunch said they'd pick me up outside at 8:30. I'm going to eat with them. There's a reason.
A secret conference, huh?
And you said it. And something tells me I'm going to get a big earful, too.
Oh, be careful, honey, will you?
Don't worry about me. I can take care of myself.
I know you can.
Hey, Jimmy.
You're all right, kid.